Welcome back to another weekly market and financial update. So this week, we're going to continue the conversation around the trend of AI. And we're all familiar with how technology has been doing, right? Technology stocks have really been a major lift to the recent bull market. I mean, the technology stocks alone, the Magnificent Seven in particular, right? They are really the major contributors to why the stock market is as high as it is today. And when stock markets get high, sometimes media headlines come out or people have some concerns that we might be in some form of bubble. If we think back to the year 2000 during the tech.com bubble, then anyone who experienced that might be feeling some trepidation around where we are today. But just know that the tech bubble, or I won't call it a bubble, but the tech rally of today differs very greatly from what the tech rally did back in 2000, right? The valuations behind a lot of the AI and technology advancements today are really supported by a lot of the numbers and figures behind what's going on with these companies and the actual market as a greater whole. So as AI continues to be more integrated within our economy and our daily lives, some people might say, well, AI will actually remove some jobs, right, as AI replaces humans, but I would actually make the argument that AI will continue to enhance the workforce as AI makes our lives and our jobs more productive and allows us to continue to work, especially as our population ages. We have a very old population and people are getting older and living longer every single day. I think AI will integrate very nicely with that and actually complement a lot of people in what they do in their daily lives, especially with their careers. And if you think back to the 2000s, right, when technology wasn't as prominent as it is today, a lot of those tech-based jobs were for highly skilled workers only, or people who specialized in that particular technology or knew how to properly work a specific software. Whereas today, a lot of folks are very familiar with a lot of software. Most of us know how to use Microsoft Office very comfortably. A long time ago, that wasn't the case. A lot of us now are familiar with maybe some basic coding, and I think that will only continue to progress as, again, technology becomes more and more a part of our daily lives. More and more citizens are going to be able to know how to use technology. So I think that knowing where we are today with the technology, I mean, of course, there are always some pullbacks in the markets and corrections. I think short-term volatility is definitely a valid concern, but as long as you're prepared for it, right, that's really the key thing around the conversations around AI and technology, is that, yes, it's on a tremendous run. Is there a likely pullback in the near future? I mean, probably, right? But I don't think it'll be due to any particular cause or reason. You know, these corrections are very, very normal and allows the market to reset. So just know that if you are invested tech heavy right now, you will likely experience some volatility. But I personally believe over the long term, as it integrates more with the economy, technology, and other companies that are pouring their dollars into developing their own technology internally, I think there'll be great investments over the long term, and investors can expect that. So as long as you have the long-term mindset in the forefront at all times, then just know that you will likely be on a road to success when it comes to your investments. So with that in mind, thank you so much for tuning in this week. There won't be a market update next week due to the July 4th holiday, but we'll be back in the middle of July, and hopefully by then we'll have some end of Q2 figures and estimates to talk about. I'm sure reports will be coming out and earnings estimates and things of the sort. So a lot to discuss during the heat, but I hope everyone has a very healthy, safe, and wonderful July 4th holiday with yourselves, your families, and your loved ones. Take care, stay safe, talk to you soon.